Over the past few days, the audience have been fighting with the hitmaker Zing Nxumalo about the lyrics of the song Imali. So guys, Zing Nxumalo has decided during a performance uphinde futhi correct abalandeli bakhe ukuthi le ngoma ithi ngikhalela idiyo, not ukuthi ngikhalela into eyodwa. Guys, the song goes like this: ngikhalela idiyo. So the audience abayifuni kanjalo guys, they want the song ithi ngikhalela into eyodwa guys, because it sounds nice mayithi ngikhalela into eyodwa. But Zing Nxumalo has begged the audience during the performance to sing the song like this: ngikhalela idiyo. So guys, here's the video of Zing Nxumalo correcting the audience, but the audience is refusing guys. They say angeke bezwe ngaye. Here's the video guys.
Angeke silwe ngisho. Asilwa ngisho. Yimini artist ngisho. Yimbe ngibhala le ngoma ngisho. Unini ngikhala. Yimbe artist dilani. Ore angeke nizwe ngami. Angeke nizwe ngami. Okay, asiyenze ngendlela yenu. Unini ngikhala.
For more videos guys, make sure that you subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever we upload a new video guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you on another one. Thanks for watching.